up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I know I was absent last week because it is the start of like official spring here in the Midwest. Like I know spring kind of already started, but like our spring here kind of just shows up whatever it wants to. Ours showed up, it rained one night and then brought up all the dust and like pollen and like all of that crap in the air, and my allergies have started. As you can tell a little bit, like I had lost my voice. My sinuses get like really weird and they like start to drain, and so like drains into the back of my throat and then causes laryngitis for me. Yeah, I like couldn't talk all last week, and Wednesday usually like when I film I had no voice whatsoever, so it kind of sucked. Slowly but surely getting my voice back. I'd say a couple more days and it'd be like completely back, but I can still feel it kind of, you know, restricting a little bit. So that's why I was gone last week. Like I had an actual excuse on why I didn't film last week. But anyway, this week I am back with a video, and it is another makeup video because, you know, I just got something and I kind of like want to review it and see what it's like. And because I haven't bought anything off of this website in like a long time, yeah, so I'm just gonna jump in. I'm gonna be doing kind of a like beachy glow type thing. I really don't know what I'm doing yet, only because like I never know what I'm doing when I do makeup, because this is what my face looks like most of the time. My everyday makeup is now on the internet for everyone to view, and that's what I do when I like wear makeup. So yeah, into what we're doing. Today I'm going to be reviewing the KourtxKylie Cosmetics collab, so I'm very excited to try this out. The palette, I got the palette and the liquid lipstick. So I got the blue palette from the KourtxKylie collab. I only got this one because it kind of like matches my aesthetic right now, and I can't really say I have one specific aesthetic because my aesthetic is kind of like my mood. It kind of just like changes. It just kind of like whatever I'm into at that moment. Like I could be into like modern things one moment, and then I could be into like minimalistic things one moment, and then very like bohemic things one moment, and then kind of like beachy tropical things. It's kind of all over the place, kind of like my personality. So at the moment my aesthetic is kind of like that beachy tropical thing and blue colors, so that's kind of like why I got this palette. And because I am just like a kind of like a natural-esque person, it's kind of got like, I wouldn't say like neutral boring colors as some people would call it, but I like these colors because they're very bronzy. And yeah, I haven't swatched them yet. I just kind of looked at the palette online, so I really haven't like opened it yet. So it's got like a gold, a bronze, and then like a tan, and then is that a purple or a really dark brown? Not very sure, but this is what it looks like. It's just kind of like neutral colors and I like neutral things, and because my wardrobe is white and black, like my whole closet, don't really have much choice on what I usually do. I have no idea what I'm gonna do today, so kind of just bear with me and let's just head into whatever this tutorial is gonna be. Okay, so this makeup tutorial isn't really going to be too in-depth or very vigorous because I'm just going to be doing like my everyday makeup, then just kind of putting like eyeshadow on, and I don't really use that many products. I just use like concealer, mascara, bronzer, and then like something to set my concealer, and then I use like brow gel to tame my brows. So yeah, everything's kind of just, you know, I don't know what the word is. I talk with my hands a lot, as you can tell, so this, I don't know. But yeah, let's see. I really don't know what I'm gonna do. I guess I could just start off by what I usually do. Okay, so lately I have been very, very obsessed with the Pacifica Beauty Cosmetics and skincare line, especially the skincare line, because I really don't wear makeup that much anymore, and I really like to take care of my skin just to keep it at its like normalcy. But like I woke up this morning and kind of found some like little tiny blemishes on my forehead, so I kind of, you know, to keep that shit in check. This is what I usually use like in my night routine. I could always do a night routine if the girlies out there want to see one. It's nothing, kind of like my makeup, it's nothing too exciting. I just gonna wash my face and put some moisturizer on, and yeah, it's pretty more normal. So, but anyway, this is what I use lastly when I do like my night routine, but I've been using it in the morning as well. It is the Sea Rescue Replenishing Water Gel. It hydrates, it's got a tightening effect, and it's the combination for all skin types. What I like about this is that it's hydrating and it like has a tightening effect, kind of like if you use like aloe vera, you know, that like tight feeling it gives you when you put it on your skin. That's kind of what this does, but it also really hydrates. I don't use that much, and it's a clear gel like that, kind of I focus this more like under my eyes because like when I take my eye makeup off, you kind of rub it in like an awful place and it causes wrinkles. So I'm trying to prevent that as long as I can. But I'll just kind of work that in my face like this. You can feel it when you're putting it on your face, like it's hydrating you, but then like afterwards, you feel your face all tight and ready to go. So that's what I've been starting off with when I start my makeup. This Pacifica Sea Rescue Replenishing Water Gel is probably something that I will stick with forever. Okay, so next I'm going to be taking a brow gel to basically, I need a mirror. I'm just kind of like doing this in my viewfinder, so I'm going to go get a mirror. Oh yeah, so yeah, there's a blemish here, a blemish there. You can't really see it on camera because they're that tiny, and I kind of like to nip it in the bud before it forms into something drastic. Some I can't really get to in time and fast enough, so that just happens. I'm gonna be doing this makeup look without foundation because I've been kind of liking the whole like non-foundation looks. So I'm gonna be dipping my brows with whatever brow gel you like to use. I'm not gonna say it because I'm just kind of like trying to use the rest of this brow gel because it is non-cruelty free, and I'm just trying to use up a lot of stuff that is left in my makeup closet so I can like throw it away. And if you're wondering why I switched to cruelty-free makeup, because I love animals and I just think it's unnecessary for animals to like makeup being tested on them because they're not going to be wearing makeup. That's just my views, and because I saw a very disturbing picture in this makeup studio's like lab, and it was like of a bunch of cats, and it kind of just like traumatized me because I was like, that could have been my poor cat. So I'm gonna tame these brows, nothing too insane, just like that, and voila. Now I'm gonna move on to concealer. I'm not gonna really be like in depth on what I'm doing because I do have my everyday makeup look on what I am actually gonna be doing. So if you want to see that, I will link it in the bottom. So now I'm just gonna conceal, and then I'm just gonna, oh, I look like one of those Indian warriors for some reason. If you like documentaries or like wildlife or shit like that, whatever that means, and are looking for a show on Netflix to watch, I highly suggest Expedition Happiness. It's about this couple and their dog that goes traveling along like in Canada and like in the US on like traveling stuff, if that makes sense. I know I'm not making a lot of sense right now. I don't know, it's really exciting, and if you like traveling, this is like the documentary slash movie for you. And if you like dogs in it, it's a really good movie, so I highly suggest it. This is like my second time watching it. It's in the background right now, so. Setting with my Fiona Styles setting powder. It's the Invisible Finish Loose setting powder. It's not a translucent powder. And to be honest, I really don't know the difference between it. I like to think I like no makeup, and sometimes I do, and sometimes I don't set it, so you're not setting any creases. And then I'm just gonna bronze up my face, and I'm taking the Wet n Wild bronzer. Okay, so now that the bronzing is done, we're not gonna go on to highlighting quite yet. I think I'm gonna use one brush for this whole like thing, just because I don't want to get up and get more brushes, to be honest. All the colors in this palette, in the KourtxKylie blue palette, is so I'm guessing this color here, this like yellowy highlighty color, is going to be the 1944 color, and then this color here is going to be In the Rain. A lot of these colors are like, I don't know why they're named this color, but like whatever floats your boat, Courtney. Yeah, do you, girl. This color is Calabasas, and then this color is Bible. Anybody else watch On My Block and was completely shook by the way it ended, and then the fact that they are coming back with a second season? I'm so happy. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be taking the Calabasas color and kind of like working that into my crease maybe. So I'm just gonna, oh, that was a lot of fallout. Anyway, so yeah, I'm just gonna work that into my crease right now. Nothing special. Oh my god, this is very pigmented. I have not worn, I don't know how I feel about shadow anymore. So I'm just gonna do that quick, like nothing too vigorous. Holy shit, I should have got more brushes. Whatever. We'll work with it. We will work with it. Because what if you only had one brush for like everything, like an all-purpose brush? This is gonna be a really messy look. I was trying to go for a somewhat beachy type look, and let's face it, you don't really wear makeup on the beach or like whatever. If you were to, then it wouldn't be like perfect. Okay, now that we've gotten that into our crease, I think what I'm gonna be doing is taking the color In the Rain. It's this bronzy color, so I think I'm just gonna work that all over my lid. Ooh, I like that color. Okay. Okay, Kourtney. And I'm working that like in my crease as well, just to tone down that like pinky undertone that Calabasas had. Like it's still gonna show through because it's very pigmented. So far I'm impressed. I was a little like shook by kind of the fallout that it had on the brush. At least we're able to work with it. Like I said, this look wasn't gonna be too like intense or anything, because I think this is honestly like where my stopping point is with it. I just like that bronze glow it gives. It's like subtle, but it's not. So next I'm gonna be doing my eyelashes, and of course I'm gonna be taking my Better Than Sex mascara. So I'm not gonna do anything like too crazy with my eyelashes, because that I feel is like good enough. And I'm just gonna hit my bottom lashes real quick. Well, that's done. What I'm gonna try something new. I really don't do this because I'm not a person to like wear blush, just because it like just wasn't like my forte. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into a palette I haven't used in like ages. It's my Forever Nude palette from BH Cosmetics, and I'm gonna be taking the blush color, these two. So we're gonna try it. So I'm just gonna mix the two. It's kind of not too much. I think that's it for blush, just because I don't wear blush and I don't even know if I put it on right. Anyway, that's done. So now I'm gonna just move on to, so I'm gonna take this brush from Anastasia. You can use any brush. I don't know if this is matte color, but I'm just gonna just subtly, because the sun's gonna be doing most of that glow for you. Wow, I think that's it. I'm gonna be taking my Pacifica Lip Quench. I had to buy a new one because I lost the other one this weekend when I was in the cities. So this is the coconut cherry one. It's my favorite one. So that is my makeup. It wasn't anything too vigorous. I do have to say, as I got closer to my mirror, I saw that there was like a bit of fallout from this palette, which it wasn't like too crazy, because I've had palettes that have had like super crazy fallout that I just like was not impressed with. But this, however, altogether, the Court Blue palette from the Kylie Cosmetics collab, I say I give it a, I want to say like an A-, only because the fallout, I don't like fallout, and I just wish that like all shadows didn't have it. But I mean, you're not gonna escape any sort of like fallout. But I give this a A-, and on a scale of 1 to 10, I would say this is a 9. I'm very impressed with this palette, and because it just like fits my aesthetic, and I like the colors in it and the bronzy vibes. I'm just like into that kind of stuff. I think I bought mostly this stuff because of the packaging. Packaging is like life, like it's insane. So that is the extent of my makeup today. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the Clover family. If you guys like this video, please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up for me, and then do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And when you subscribe, don't forget to hit that little bell to turn on your post notifications to let you know when I post new videos, which is every Thursday. Sometimes it's not on Thursday, but regardless, it'll be every Thursday. And I will post and have my social media floating in the video like over here, so follow those things to keep up with me. If I'm not here on YouTube, usually I let you know wherever else I am gone, so you can follow me on those things. And yeah, I really don't have anything else to say except I love you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.